Once upon a time, there was a, cloudy evening. There was the air was in breeze everywhere, or heavy rain was falling down. It was a very cool and very lovely atmosphere. Everyone was enjoying the rain very nicely. But in one small road, we can say a street, there was a poor man walking around it. And when he was walking, his shoes stuck in a gutter, stuck in some gutter or some muddy area. And he felt that he has lost his shoes, like the shoes was almost not able to walk on. So he removed it, and when he removed one shoes, he felt like, yay, I'm even enjoying rain without shoes. So on the spot he removed another one also, and he started walking without shoes, and he even starting loving it, and he was very happy.